Hey folks, welcome back to my channel. Instead of a recipe, today I'm going to show you how I have organized my kitchen cabinets or the kitchen shelves. This is going to be a series folks. So today I'm just going to share one of my kitchen cabinet, how I have organized and the thought process behind that. So let's get started. Here is my kitchen shelf that is on the right hand side of my stove top. On each rack, I have two rows of bottles with spices, lentils and other spice powders that we use for everyday cooking. On the first two racks, I have everyday spices and lentils that we use often, and on the top rack, I have whole masala ingredients in the first row and the least used ones in the back row. Here is the first rack and I have lentils and bulk items that we need in large quantity, that is more than 2 teaspoons for everyday cooking. Also, I write down what I have in each row on a sticky note and place it like this on the inner side of the shelf door. This helps a lot in the organization and grocery planning. Also, I know where the things are. As you can see, I have dried red chilies, sambar powder, coriander seeds, rasam powder and rice flour in the front row, and in the back row I have urad dal, masoor dal, moong dal, tur dal and chana dal. Here in the corner I have two small jars. This one is the black cumin seeds and behind I have the wangibath powder. We recently started having black cumin seed water in the morning, so I keep it handy in the first rack. These are the Lakshmi and the Joy brand tamarind bottles. I love these bottles. I always repurpose them for storing my spices. Before buying all these fancy jars, I was using these small tamarind jars only for storing my spices. This is my second rack. Here I have coriander powder, garam masala, red chili powder, roasted gram or the pottukadlai and turmeric powder. The last two small jars have the sun-dried fryams or the vattals that I use for vattakorambu. I have the dried turkey berries and the black nightshade berries. On the back row, I have mustard seeds, whole pepper, cumin seeds, cumin powder and carom seeds or omam. I have all these spices on my spice box or the anjarai petti. I have few lentils on my anjarai petti. I will share about my spice box in a separate video. Here is my topmost rack and I always use my stepper stool to grab ingredients from here. So I keep the least used ones on my top rack. Here I have items that we use for kurma and biryani. As you can see, I have bay leaf, cardamom, fennel seeds, cinnamon, star anise, kalpasi, the blackstone flower powder, and dried fenugreek leaves. I have all these on my spice box as well. I have two spice boxes. As mentioned before, I will share the spice box details in another video. Now on the back row, I have poppy seeds, black sesame seeds, white sesame seeds, cloves, panchforan, kapak buds or the maradi moggu, methi seeds, dried chilies, and the black cardamom. Now coming to the jars, I bought all these jars from Ikea. These are the corken jars with lid. You can find them on Ikea online as well. The big ones are 1.9 quarts and they cost $4.99. I did not buy all these jars on a single day. It took me more than a year to buy all these jars. And the next size is the 34 ounce and they cost $3.99. All these jars are less than $5. And the small ones are 17 ounce and they cost $2.99. I personally like these jars and they are easy to clean as well. I always hand wash them and I don't put them in the dishwasher. You can find a lot of other jars on Ikea as well. You can buy the ones that you like and that fits your shelves as well. Hope you all enjoyed this video. Please give it a thumbs up and if you haven't subscribed to my channel, please do subscribe. And if you have any questions or feedback about this video, please do let me know in the comment section. I'll try to answer them all. I'll see you all next week. Thank you.